We lost over 15 cages. Some were partially lost, some were lost entirely.
Where cage fish farmers are counting massive losses following the deaths of thousands of fish in Lake Victoria.
Cage fish farmers from Dunga Beach in Kisumu are reeling in losses of up to 20 million shillings following the sudden death of fish in the cages.
Farmers at Dunga Beach in Lake Victoria are counting losses worth millions of shillings following massive fish deaths in the area.
What we are going to do is solve this. We cannot go on having cage farmers who have invested a lot of money in those cages keep facing the same problem in year out.